For every 1 liter of diesel used for industrial purpose, you need only 0.8 kg of LPG. That means 1 liter of diesel costing you 100 rupees will be equal to only 64 rupees of 0.8 kgs of LPG. Hi, I am Jaisal Sampath from Pune Gas. We help industries convert from polluting fuels such as diesel, oil over to gas and LPG, which is more cleaner, better and pollution free for a better tomorrow. So we did a project at a company called Metlonics based out of Punjab about 1.5-2 years ago. Metlonics is in the metal fabrication industry and they use diesel for their heating applications. We converted their heating applications from diesel to LPG. So their diesel bill every month was 12.5 lakh rupees. They used around 20,000 liters of diesel every month. When we converted their complete solution for their industrial heating application from HSD to LPG, the LPG consumption dropped to just around 17,000 kg per month. So from a bill of 12.5 lakh rupees a month, their LPG bill was only about 7.5 lakh rupees a month. So a huge saving of 5 lakh rupees a month just by converting from diesel to LPG could be achieved by Metlonics, and their payback period was only a short span of 3 months. So their entire investment cost them around 15 lakh rupees to convert from diesel to LPG, and saving 5 lakh rupees a month. In 3 months, the money was recovered, and 4th month onwards, 5 lakh rupees went into their bottom line, got into their profits, and that's how they could save 5 lakh rupees a month each and every single month since the last 1.5 to 2 years. So it's the 21st century, we are in 2023, climate change is for real. Are you still using polluting and traditional fuels like oil and diesel? Talk to us today, let us help you out, convert to a cleaner fuel, a cleaner future, and also save a lot of money while doing that. Yesterday was a good time to convert, but talk to us today for an even better tomorrow.